Hello students, today we are going to learn about e-learning and how e-learning content can be transferred to an instructional design. I think it is very beneficial for you. E-learning reaches a wider target audience by engaging learners who have difficulty in attending conventional classroom training because they are geographically dispersed with a limited time and resources to travel, busy with work or family commitments, and also located in conflict areas. Those people who have different cultural or religious belief and also who are facing difficulties with real-time communication, they are also going for e-learning. E-learning is a better option when there is a significant amount of content to be delivered to a large number of learners. It is also better when learners come from geographically dispersed locations. The people sometimes have limited mobility and have limited daily time to devote to learning are also going for e-learning. The learners who have limited mobility and who have limited daily time to devote to learning are also selecting e-learning. The learners who do not have effective learning and reading skills are also going for e-learning. E-learning is a good choice if learners have at least basic computer and internet skills. The learners are required to develop homogeneous background knowledge on the topic. Also, the learners are highly motivated to learn and appreciate proceeding at their own pace. The content can be reduced for different learners. The aim is to build cognitive skills. Long-term training is also needed, and there is a need to collect and track data. Next we see how e-learning enhances the quality of education. It enhances the quality of education through various ways. By contributing to an evolution in the way students learn, by enriching and extending the learning experience of students, by providing powerful tools for learners to exploit the work, by contributing to the evolution of theories of learning, and also by opening up learning to disadvantaged students. Next we discuss the factors that influence the composition of the team for the process of developing e-learning content. The factors are size of the project, the second one is amount of work outsourced, capacity of team members to cover different roles, specific media and technologies required. Human resources are an inevitable component in e-learning content development. Now let us discuss the human resources for developing an e-learning material for instruction. First one is Human Resources Capacity Development Manager. This managerial level person conducts needs and audience analysis before starting the e-learning project. He coordinates all activities and roles in the different stages of the process, and he evaluates the degree of transfer on the job. Instructional designers or IDs are the next important human resource needed for developing e-learning content. IDs are responsible for the overall instructional strategy. They work with managers to understand and training goal. They collaborate with SMEs to define which skills and knowledge need to be covered in the course. They choose the appropriate instructional strategy and they support the team in defining delivery and evaluation strategies. The next human resource is web developers and media editors. They assemble the course elements and develop media and interactive components. They also create the courseware, adapt the interface of a learning platform, and install the courseware on a web server. Next is course administrators, online facilitators and tutors. The course administrators are those people who manage the learner's subscription. Online tutors and facilitators support participants' learning activities and motivate learners during the course. The last among the human resource is the technical support specialist. A technical support specialist usually are required to assist both producers and users of e-learning courses at every stage of the process. Technology is needed both to create e-learning material and make it accessible to learners. Big projects may require the use of an LMS or other types of learning platforms to track and administer learners' activities and also manage e-learning content. Dear students, I think now you have got an idea about how e-learning content and instructional designing are related. Thank you.